The ocean is home to some of the most bizarre and terrifying creatures on the planet. While sharks and giant squids often steal the spotlight, there's one marine predator that lurks beneath the waves, silently dominating its underwater kingdom, the giant starfish. These incredible creatures are far more than slow-moving sea decorations. Some species are ruthless hunters, capable of devouring prey whole, regenerating lost limbs, and even wiping out entire coral reef ecosystems. But how do they hunt? What makes them such effective predators? And could these seemingly harmless sea stars pose a greater threat to marine life than we ever imagined? Join us as we unveil the secrets of the giant starfish and uncover the truth behind one of the ocean's most underestimated predators. Let's dive in. When most people think of starfish, they picture small, colorful creatures clinging to rocks in tide pools. But in the vast depths of the ocean, there are giant species that grow to monstrous sizes. Some of the largest, like the sunflower sea star, Pycnopodia helianthoides, and the crown-of-thorns starfish, Acanthostera plancy, can reach over 3 feet 1 meter in diameter and have as many as 24 arms. These massive starfish roam the ocean floor, hunting and consuming prey with a surprising level of aggression. Unlike common starfish, which primarily feed on microscopic organisms, giant starfish are apex predators in their environment. Their diet includes mollusks, fish, coral, and even other starfish. Equipped with thousands of tiny tube feet and a highly efficient digestive system, they can overpower and consume their prey in ways that seem almost alien. You might not expect a starfish to be a ruthless predator, but these creatures have evolved an incredibly effective way to consume their food. Most starfish have a unique ability that allows them to evert their stomachs, meaning they literally push their stomachs out of their bodies, wrap them around their prey, and begin digesting it externally before pulling it back in. Imagine this. A giant sunflower sea star crawls over a clam, wraps its flexible arms around the shell, and slowly applies pressure. With its tube feet working like tiny suction cups, it pries the shell open just enough to push its stomach inside. Digestive enzymes then begin breaking down the clam's soft tissues, turning it into a liquid meal before the starfish absorbs it. This process can take hours, but once it's done, the starfish moves on, leaving only an empty shell behind. The crown-of-thorns starfish, on the other hand, has a more destructive feeding style. Instead of targeting mollusks, it feasts on coral polyps by spreading its stomach over coral reefs and secreting powerful digestive chemicals. As a result, entire sections of coral are left bleached and lifeless, an alarming sight that has made this species infamous for its role in reef destruction. Unlike passive filter feeders, these giant starfish actively hunt, moving across the seafloor at speeds that are surprisingly fast for an invertebrate. The sunflower sea star, for example, can travel at speeds of over 3 feet per minute, making it one of the fastest-moving echinoderms in the ocean. If being a deadly predator wasn't enough, giant starfish also have one of nature's most incredible survival abilities: regeneration. While many animals struggle to heal from serious injuries, starfish can regrow entire limbs and, in some cases, even regenerate a whole new body from a single arm. This incredible ability is due to their highly decentralized nervous system. Unlike humans, whose brain controls all bodily functions, starfish have nerve rings in each arm, allowing them to function independently. This means that if a predator bites off an arm, the detached limb can continue moving on its own while the starfish regrows a replacement. Some species, like the Lynchia sea star, take this ability even further. If cut into pieces, each fragment has the potential to develop into an entirely new starfish. This regeneration is not only useful for survival, but it also makes some species nearly impossible to eradicate, leading to rapid population growth in areas where they dominate. While this ability is fascinating, it has also made certain species, like the crown-of-thorns starfish, an ecological nightmare. Among all giant starfish, the crown-of-thorns starfish, Cots, is the most feared. Named for its long venomous spines, this species is one of the greatest threats to coral reefs worldwide. Found in the Indo-Pacific region, particularly around Australia's Great Barrier Reef, Cots populations have exploded in recent years, devastating fragile marine ecosystems. A single adult can consume up to 6 square meters of coral per year, and when outbreaks occur, thousands of these starfish can completely destroy entire reef systems. Unlike natural predators, such as parrotfish or sea turtles, Cots reproduce at an alarming rate, with a single female producing up to 60 million eggs per breeding season. Scientists believe that factors like climate change, pollution, and overfishing of natural predators have contributed to the rise of Cots outbreaks. Without enough predators to keep them in check, These starfish have become an invasive force, turning vibrant reefs into underwater wastelands. Efforts to control COTS populations include manual removal by divers, specialized robotic COTS killer drones, and even biological solutions like breeding natural predators. However, the battle to save the world's coral reefs from this relentless predator is still ongoing. With their intimidating size, hunting abilities, and venomous spines, it's natural to wonder, could giant starfish pose a threat to humans? For the most part, giant starfish are not aggressive towards humans. However, some species, like the crown-of-thorns starfish, can be dangerous if touched. Their long spines are covered in venomous toxins that can cause severe pain, swelling, nausea, and even paralysis in rare cases. Divers and marine researchers handling these creatures must wear protective gloves, as their spines can easily break off and embed into the skin, causing prolonged irritation. While not deadly to humans, their venom is powerful enough to deter potential predators. As for other giant starfish, they are generally harmless to humans but should still be handled with care, as they play crucial roles in marine ecosystems. The giant starfish may not have sharp teeth or a fearsome reputation like sharks, but their deadly hunting techniques, rapid regeneration, and ecosystem-altering abilities make them one of the ocean's most formidable creatures. Whether it's the fast-moving sunflower sea star, the flesh-dissolving predatory techniques, or the coral-destroying crown-of-thorns starfish, these marine hunters are more powerful than they appear. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the secrets of the ocean's terrifying predator, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible deep-sea discoveries. See you in the next video.